Okay, we've been filming for a little bit of time now. I'm getting a little excited because we're opening up all the components here. We're getting ready to build. And this is one of the pieces, the RAM here obviously, that I wasn't counting on buying. I had everything lined up on, what is that, PC part list checker thing. Oh man, I don't remember the exact name. Really awesome website. I've seen a lot of people use it in the past. This was my first build where I was using it. Probably because my last build it didn't exist. But also Amazon just introduced their own PC compatibility like checker thing, so that'll be interesting to see how that goes for them. But we are looking at the G.Skill Trident Z RGB RAM. My first choice was I don't know what brand it is, like Nighthawk or something, and it actually looks really sweet. I saw somebody had a video where they used it recently. I think it was Bitwit. He was putting two things in one, and it looks pretty awesome. It's almost like a V type shape, and the RGB really stands out on it. And yeah, I wanted me some RGB. So, and part of that, if you've been watching these videos, is because of the Metallic Gear Neo G Mini, clear front and clear side, or at least tempered glass anyways. And so I really want this to have some RGB components to it. The motherboard I've chosen has the Aura Sync, of which this is compatible. Let's take a little look and unbox it here. Oh, we're halfway there. Don't get too excited. Just kidding, get excited. So that is it. That's all that's in that. Just this. So actually one thing I didn't realize is that this is silver. Ooh. So it's silver on one side, black on the other side. Comes with a G.Skill memory sticker. Can't say that I recall ever having stickers for RAM in the past, so that's kind of neat if you're into stickers. I mean, other than that, this is 2 8 gigs, so we got 16 solid gigs of memory here. This is 3200, so I'm pretty excited about that. Timings of 16, 18, 18, and 38. So I know the first few numbers, but I don't really remember what the last numbers mean. I mean, they're all pretty similar timing, various timings for different lookups. Anyways, so pretty fast RAM. It's got the RGB, so it makes it faster. Full disclaimer, it doesn't actually make it faster. It's a running joke. So if you actually think it makes it faster, I'm really sorry. We can get you some help. Like telling you right now that it's not true. So yeah, pretty excited to put this in there. I don't really have a lot else to say about it. It's not like it even comes with a manual or anything. So RAM, good timings, good price, good RGB. You should subscribe.